Okay, so now let's introduce the operation of the LCD panel interface. The most important functions of the LCD panel interface include XYZ axis and the movement and zeroing of the E and I axis, opening and closing of switching waves. Then there's a print section of our SD card. And now we'll show you the movement of XYZ axis. First, let's click Enter the motion. Then we go back to Move. Here we can see that we can move XYZ and EI axis. Then if we want to move the X-axis, we click on the X-axis. And after entering, you can choose the distance you want to move. If you need to move 10 millimeters, click to enter, using our button to do the moving part. If you don't need to move anymore, click again to go back to the previous page. Okay, so we'll do the homing again, and it is in homing. There are home XYZ and home E and home I. Then we click on the home X first. Then X will zero itself automatically. If you need to go back to the previous page, you can go straight to the top of motion and click again, and you're back. Then if you understand all the function here, if you want to go back to the previous page, just press this option at the top. Second is the opening and closing of our on-off wave part. It is mainly to control the nozzle. If it keeps dripping out, then you can close the valve to stop the material from dripping. Then if we need to keep it dripping, we just press the on-off valve to turn on. Then open silicone valve means open the valve. Close all valves means close all of it. If you don't need it, click Man. Next, we're going to do SD card printing. Then we insert the SD card directly into the left side. This place, after pressing down, the system will automatically read the SD card. So, print from media will be available in the options. After clicking on it, we can see all the files we need here. Then click directly on the file you want, and you can start printing. If you don't need it, click on the top of the main menu, and then go back to the previous page. Therefore, this is the tutorial of operating LCD panel.